We are going to the museum now. Oh, really nice. Really nice building with this one. This area naman guys is landmarks, defining moments of a nation. Prototype number 1. Wow. Wow, look at that. Ferrari, you know. Hello guys, our next destination is National Museum, Australia. So ayan. Let's go guys, explore natin. Ayan, you remember ano yun, yung sikat na movie, Squid Game. Ayan, the green light, red light, giant. Green light, red light. Ayan, it's a giant. Ayan, laki ng ano to. Gabi said it's a roller coaster, but it's not. Ayan guys, uupo-upo muna tayo dito. Habang iniintay silang nagpicture, magpipicture-picture daw sila kay green light, red light. So ayan. So biglaan to guys, wala sa plano. Pero tiningnan ko kasi yung hotel namin, 3 p.m. pa yung check-in. Kaya naghanap kami ng ibang pupuntahan. So we will try to see the museum. So let's go. Ayan. We are going to the museum now. Oh, really nice. Really nice building with this one. Yeah. Yan. May pa ganun, papunta roon. Tapos yan, umikot yan. Yan. May garden dito. Pwede kang tumambay pagkapagod ka na maglakad. Yan. There's a big umbrella. Yeah. We'll go inside, guys. Okay. We'll try here. I think it's beautiful. Ayan. Yeah, I've seen it, but will have a look. It's a stage. Stage. O, ayan. Siguro may fountain dito. There's a big tree there. Dripwood. Big dripwood. We'll say it dripwood. Ayan. 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 Let's go inside. Ayan. Pasukin natin guys. Sugurin natin. Sugurin natin guys. Ayan. Yan, ang ganda ng kulay niya. Parang kung may drone ka ito, makikita mo yung view niya. Yan, ang ganda oh. Ayan. Ayan oh. Parang tulay ba? Tapos nagkurba doon, nagcurve. Oo, nagkaroon na siya ng arc. Ayan. So cute. Amazing. So ayan. Pasok na tayo sa may National Museum, guys. Ayan. Welcome to the National Museum of Australia. Go inside. Oh, there's a big T-Rex there. Ayan. Ito guys is libre lang pumasok dito, walang bayad. Yeah, anytime pwede kang pumunta. Ang ganda ng structure ng building guys. Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is the map, visitor's map. Yan guys, bibigyan kanila nito para hindi ka daw maligaw. So we will have a look the beautiful old cars. O yan, so Jaguar. Yan, yung mga lumang-lumang sasakyan noong unang panahon, yung caravan. Yan,
So nice.
yan ang cute niya. Maliit lang. Ayan, yung kapehan, yung ayan, gamit nila mag-camping. Ayan. Really good. Konti lang ang tao guys, ayan. Big structure ng butterfly sa may chandelier ba yan? Ewan ko. There's a little very big T-Rex in here. It's awesome. Tingnan mo yung yan, sa taas. So cute. Yan. Another view. We will check as well here. Ayan. O kaya to? Gamit nilang panggera? Noong unang panahon o putin natin guys. Takitimo. Takitimo. Ayan. Makikita mo yung flag ng Australia. Ayan guys. Siguro pang digma nila ito nung unang panahon. Ay, hindi para T-Rex yan guys. It's a Motaborasaurus.
Come on.
It's a Motaborasaurus. Ah, I'm wrong. So we'll go to that gallery. Punta tayo sa may gallery guys. The Great Kimberley Wilderness. Ayan, gallery. Ayan. Ang ganda ng structure. Parang palm tree. Looks like a palm tree. Ayan.
Oh, wow!
Ginawingan nila ng dahon. So, it look like palm tree. Ang cute yung labas do. Nandyan pa yung lake po. Ayan. Ayan, we can see the fountain as well. You can see some fossil wood here. Bunya seed. This is bunya seed. Ayan, leaves. Yung mga bato may ukit na yung mga fossils ng leaves. Ayan. Really cute. Oh, yan. Oh. What's this? A coal containing fossil fallen of Araucaria trees. Oh, where's the fossil? Yan, naging yung kahoy nagkaroon ng bato na. Ayan. Parang bulalakaw guys. Yan. Oh, some stone, different kind of stone. Yan. Rock of Ages. Yan. This one is a limestone and mudstone from the museum site, formed from decomposed shells, sand, and silt on the bottom of an ancient sea about 425 million years ago.
Wow!
So, stromatite from the Pilbara. This is the banded iron formation from the Pilbara, formed when oxygen produced by stromatolites reacted with iron in the world's ocean about 3 billion years ago. Wow! Wow! Crystals. So many kind of stones here. Yan. Creation spirit. This one is the Wandina figure painted in Orche by Urawa Elder Albert Barung. Yan. Stone, yung pinampintura dyan guys. Yung red stone.
Wow.
Galing. Same as with this one. This one is a numurgo painted. Ito yung bark ng kahoy na pinaglagyan nila ng mga babies noong unang panahon. Baby's cradle. Galing. Just get art here. Here, this is the rainbow serpent. This is the male allure, malicious spirit of lightning. Oh wow! What is that? It's a big crocodile. Oh, don't touch though, so we will not touch it. That's real crocodile. Boots owned by Baya Plumwood. Crocodile Puffet. Yan guys. Yan mga lumang photograph album. Picture nila. Although knife, fork, spoon, cup. Ayan, pang fire. Fireman naman ito. Firefighting helmet. And telescope part of teacup. Ayan. Yan, yung old cameras. Books. Photography. Ito palang Wataburmala is nagkaroon ng tragedy noon guys. Alright. Yan. South Australia kaya to. Ayan, oh, ganda. Ayan. Pearl shells. Ayan, very big shell here. Ayan yung mga gamit ng unang panahon ng mga aboriginal. What's this? Missile? Oh, meron sa Pilipinas yan, no? Katam?
Huh?
Carpentry tools. Yan. Siguro ito yung panghuli nila ng isda. Bubo. Possum pelt. Oh, ito mga antique guys. Mahal yung mga yan. Ayan. Ayan guys. Collar worn by Nelson. This one is a collar. This one is silver claret jug. Heater. Kelp basket. This one. Maybe this one. Pebbles. Stone shaped by the Franklin River. Fish. Ano? What's that? What fish is that? Ito yung mga fishing lure. Wooden reel. That's a really big moray cod. Yan. Yes, we'll go to the other side. Patient plan bites the hand that feeds us. Our future is here, not in the city. Let on show. Yan yung map. Old typewriter. Snowy river, a natural treasure. Let it flow. Yan yung old camera. Galing nila, na-recover pa nila ng mga to. Yan, laking. Ayan, shrimp oh. Ayan guys, pang-hunt nila ng unang panahon. What is this? Vig. Skull of a juvenile dwarf minke whale. Ayan oh, laki. Trifat. They call it trifat. And then we will see the big. What is this, Gabi? Orca? Big orca. Yan. Then to the other side. Ayan, napagod na sila guys, oh. Yes. Oh, how are you? Do you enjoy it?
What is that map?
Get it.
You made it move.
Ayan. I will go to the other side, guys. Panghuli na lang ng isda noon. Ayan. Handheld fishing net. Knife for cutting yams. Ayan, fishing net nila nung unang panahon. Gawa nila kahoy lang. Ayan, lumang-lumang kanyan. We'll see what is this. Hat, skirt, and boots. Carvings, different kinds of carvings to guys na mga animals. Yan, galing nila. Yan,
Wow.
biruin mo, ang galing naman. Ayan. Ayan. This is a emo egg. Yan, panghuli nila ng, ito yung pinanghuli nila sa isda na to. It's a yellow belly. Galing. Some in here. old axe, mga grass yan, mga damo, butterfly, insects. Yan guys. Wow. Ganda naman po. Waterfalls. Mga carving. Yan, inipon nilang mga mga kutsara.
Any machine that I live very far away. So even if it's just, for a run, go sliding or go snorkeling, diving.
Yan guys. Some in here. Termite mounds. Ayan. Galing. Fairy penguin. Unang gamit na stamp. School strike for climate. Lumang banyo. Ashtrays, pipe, and pipe stand. Oh wow, what's this? It's a castle.
What?
Wow. It's a castle. Ah. Yan. Termites? Yeah, it's the termites. Bahay ng termites pala yan guys, hindi castle. Yeah. Echidna. Yan ba? Ayan. Kinuha nilang ganyan, ginaya lang nila. Into wood, made out of wood. Ayan. Termite colony. Kala ko, castle, termite pala. Bahay ng termite pala to. Ayan, the other side here. Dilim guys. May mumu. Valley for the rivers daw. Head from platypus costume. This is platypus skeleton. This is a platypus. Ayan. Some platypus there. Guys, pygmy and ringtail possum. Kira, this one's a Kira. Yung alam mo yung kwan ng sheep, yung wool niya, yan nila ilalagay nila tapos i-press nila para ma-compact siya. Yun ang gamit nila guys. Ayan. This one is the big Villa. Antique to guys, so might be really big Villa. Yan. And then this one is the wow Brabham. Yan. Yan guys. Really nice. Good. Boom, boom, boom. Yan. This one is made up of Mutaka Rekina Plaskar. This area naman guys is landmarks, defining moments of a nation. Yun. Encounters. Colony. Posas ba yan? Ayan o, posas nga yan guys. This is the clock. Cedar long case clock. Espada. Bricks. Costume. Pictures there. This one is a gold mine. So yan. Kiluhan nila ng gold. Yun yung gamit nilang kanya pico. Yan. Mga antique to. Mahal yung mga to. Ayan. Itong gamit nilang pangmina noong unang panahon. Ayan yung salaan nila. Ito yung gamit nila parang karitilya ba. Ito yung ginamit nilang hagdan. Ayan yung mga gamit nilang panghukay guys. Ito yung lagi ng tubig tapos igaganon-ganon nila. Ito naman yung lalagay nila yung ladder siguro o yung rope dyan. So, tapos papaikutin. Yan. Yan, mga gold. Ito naman is yung Descent and Rebellion. Yan. Punyel. Parang eskopeta. Yan, lagyan ng bala yan guys. Yan, mga old guns. Yan, nakikita natin sa mga old movies. Samurai. Ayan o. Cute ng baril na to guys. O, yan. What's this? We'll see. What is it? Ito yung ginagamit nilang pang-harvest ng crops nila noong unang panahon guys. Parang reefer. Yan. Yan. Yung reaper nila nung unang panahon, yan lalabas yung ano. Yan. Some in there. Old bicycle. This one is boat. Mga antique yan. Yan. Come on boys, follow the flag. This is the Third World War. Yan yung uniforme ng mga sundalo nila. O yan, old sewing machine. The original VCB milk bar and refreshment room. Established 1916. Oh yes. Wow. This is the Holden prototype number 1. Wow. Wow, look at that. Ferrari. Really good. Wow. Ayan guys, dito tayo sa kabila. Australian Field. Second World War naman to guys. Ayan. Grand Plans. Ayan. Ayan, this is the old mother time costume. This is the Australian logo. Kangaroo and an emo. Ito yung lake. Ayan yung bridge. Ayan yung bridge guys. Ayun yung parliament. Ito yung first gallery, Australian gallery ito guys. Ayan, gamit nilang unang panahon. Pang fishing. Bubo. Ayan oh. Dito mo makikita. Yun. Yun. Made of bamboo. Ito yung wood na ginawang bangka. Really nice fish trap. Yan. Sewing machine. Oh, yan. Boat made up of wood. And guys, we'll continue our journey. We'll go down. We're here on the Focus Gallery. Ayan. We'll explore guys. Oh, what's that? Wow. Gawa sa kahoy guys. They call it Kulbas Saibay. Ayan. Ayan yung mga dari ang tawag nila dyan. Dari. Ayan. What's this? Yung warop drum. This is a warop drum guys. Mayroon akong nakita dito. It's from Lingham. Ayan. Parang sa Pilipinas guys, yung unang-unang mga bahay natin. Ganito, di ba? Ayan. Ayan. Lampara. O yan. Sa mga galing sa hirap dyan, relate kayo dito guys. Ayan. This is an original car with art. Ayan. Ito yung kanina nakita natin sa labas. Big Dari. This is a Sugumawa octopus mask. Ayan guys, nakalabas na kami pero may nakita kami dito. Ano kaya ito? Under. Underground. Oh. What is this? Oh, it's going outside. Oh, come on.
I think that way is not afraid of.
Ayan, nasa labas na tayo. Yan guys, finally nakalabas din kami. Oh, we are so tired. But anyway, worth it naman yung pagpunta namin dito. Ganda sa loob guys. Yan guys, tapos na tayo dito sa museum. So hope nag-enjoy kayo guys at see you next vlog guys. Salamat! Bye-bye!